Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review, don't forget that the link to purchase the Logitech Wave keys for Mac at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Make sure to check it out for the best deal. The Logitech Wave keys for Mac is an ergonomic wireless keyboard designed specifically with Mac users in mind. Its standout feature is the wave-shaped key layout combined with a cushioned palm rest, promoting a natural and comfortable typing posture that significantly reduces wrist strain. This keyboard is optimized for macOS, iPadOS, and iOS, making it a seamless companion for Apple devices. The Bluetooth connectivity is stable and easy to switch between up to 3 devices, which is perfect for multitasking across your Mac, iPad, and even iPhone. The keys themselves are quiet and responsive, allowing for long hours of typing without fatigue or distraction. One of the biggest advantages is the impressive battery life, lasting up to 3 years on a single set of batteries, which means less hassle and more productivity. Additionally, the keyboard is built with sustainability in mind, using 46 recycled plastic, which is a nice touch for environmentally conscious users. On the downside, while the keyboard is compact and ergonomic, the Wave design might take some time to get used to if you are accustomed to traditional flat keyboards. Also, the cushioned palm rest, though comfortable, is fixed and may not suit everyone's preferred wrist angle or desk setup. Overall, the Logitech Wave keys for Mac offers a thoughtfully designed, ergonomic typing experience tailored for Apple users, combining comfort, functionality, and sustainability. Remember, the link to grab this keyboard at a discount is pinned in the first comment. Don't miss out on this great offer.